Tired of meetings that never get linked to your deals? Here's how to schedule one in Pipedrive in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through the exact steps, from opening Pipedrive to saving a fully detailed meeting that's tied directly to the right deal, so you never lose that connection again. All right, start by opening up Pipedrive. Just pull it up in your browser or launch the app, wherever you usually work. Now, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Activities. This is your command center for everything from calls to emails to, you guessed it, meetings. Give it a second for the Activities page to load. Once you're on that page, look for the plus sign button that says Add Activity, or just a simple plus icon. Click that. And then wait just a moment for the Schedule an Activity window to pop up. This is the form where you'll build everything out. Now, by default, it might have a type selected already, but what we want is meeting. So go ahead and click on the meeting activity type. This tells Pipedrive what kind of time block this is going to be. Next, give your meeting a clear subject. Don't just write meeting. Write something like Q3 strategy review with Acme Corp. That way, when you look back at your timeline, you know exactly what happened without having to open anything up. Now, pick your date. Click into the date field and select the day you need. It's pretty straightforward, but make sure you're looking at the right month. Then set your start time and end time. Click the start field, pick the hour and minute, and do the same for the end time. This is where a lot of folks make a mistake. They set the right start, but forget to adjust the end time, and it defaults to something like an hour later. So just double check that. Below that, you'll see an optional field for priority. If this meeting is a big one, like a final proposal review or a closing call, go ahead and set it to high. It's a small touch, but it helps you prioritize your day visually. All right, now click into the fields for adding a location, a video call link, or a description. If you're meeting in person, type in the address. If it's a video call, paste that Zoom or Google Meet link right here. I always add a short description too, like what we're covering, so whoever looks at the activity knows the agenda at a glance. There's also a notes field. This is entirely optional, but I like to drop in a quick reminder or a bullet point of what I need to prep before the meeting. It's saved right there alongside the event, so I never lose it. Now, who owns this activity? By default, it's probably set to you. But if you're scheduling on behalf of a teammate or an assistant, you can change the activity owner right here. And here's the really important part, linking this meeting to specific records. You can optionally link it to a deal, a lead, or a project. This is the step that saves you from the chaos we talked about earlier. If this meeting is for a deal worth $10,000, click that field and start typing the deal name. Now the meeting lives inside that deal's timeline. Beautiful, right? You can also optionally select a person. Pick the contact you're meeting with. And if they work for a company, optionally select the organization too. This is all about connecting the dots automatically, so you don't have to go searching later. Now, before you click Save, take just a moment to review the details. Check the date, the time, the linked deal, the person. Make sure everything looks right. I've caught myself accidentally scheduling for next month instead of this week, more times than I'd like to admit. When you're happy, click Save. And just like that, your meeting is scheduled and linked directly to your deal in Pipedrive. No more juggling tabs, no more wondering if you remembered to attach it. It's all right there. From here, your calendar will sync automatically if you have the integration set up, and you'll see that meeting pop up on your Pipedrive timeline alongside every other activity for that deal. It keeps everything clean and connected. Give it a try with your next client call and see how much smoother it feels. Thanks for watching.